one white, one dick, one rope, one grass.
What's this book?
That's all this.
What's the name of this book?
That's all this.
What's this book called?
That's all this.
Yeah. What's
the name of the book, Brody?
Whoa, ideas.
Whoa. What are they? Are they in a tree?
No.
What are they in?
Pond.
Oh.
Yes, it did. Look, a big idea.
What's this? What's this say? What's this say right there?
They big old tree. There it did. One white, one thick, one a devil. A giant moon. Yeah, they go home. Yes, they did. Look.
Ooh, that's scary.
Whoa. Da! One white, two devil. I thought that big paw. Look, big paw.
Wow.
He go dig up that big paw into tree. And there's one there. That there, one there.
Yeah.
He go bite. Two tree. A dip. A movie ball. And a hole. Look. He make a big paw. Look. Big paw mad.
Yeah.
He mad?
Yeah, he's mad. Says 3 little bears without a light, without a stick, without a rope, and all 3 with the
He got right.
shivers. They all 3 got the shivers.
Big paw. That's Roger.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yep. Slide and out the door.
That big boy goes down.
Uh-oh, he better run.
Then one. Only people come with him.
I like your book. What's the name of your book?
That does this.
What's it called?
That does this.
Yeah.
Not that aunt. They have mine. Never gonna be mine.
What's this book?
That does this.
What's it called?
That does this.
What's his name?
That does this.
Yeah.